Welcome, traveller, to the village of Oakhaven, where adventure awaits around every corner. And over here, you can see the magnificent pyramid, a testament to ancient engineering.
What if I told you you can create a stunning animation video without paying a single dime, guys? Yes, it is absolutely free, no hidden charging, no watermark. Let me show you this amazing website. Okay, guys, the website that we're going to be making use today, it is called Whisk, guys. Whisk, guys. So what is Whisk? Whisk is a website being created by Google, guys, and you can see create some magic. Enter tool right now. To get started, it's very simple and easy, guys. I'm very sure most of the people watching this video right now will be familiar with Whisk, guy. But in this very video, I'm going to be guiding you on how we can get to create free video, and also how we can get to create and how we can get to run text to image or image to video right there. You can see on the object, there is a lot of things that we can make use of this website, of this Whisk website to do, but I'm still going to show you later. But in this very video, I'm going to show you on how we can get to use this website to create an animation video with voice right there. Okay, so I've created a guideline of the video I want to create right now, which is a prompt. I've created a prompt. I'm gonna be making use to create the video I want to create right now. So if you are really interested about this, kindly go down in the description. I'll be leaving the link to the prompt right now. The link will be in the description. So this is a scene one of the video I want to create. So I just need to copy the image prompt right now, and also I have the video prompt right now. So the image prompt, I need to click on send right now. So I want to create an educational video of a pyramid right now. I'm very sure most of the people watching this video will know what is pyramid right there. So this is the first scene right now, which is the first scene. I love this image, which is okay. It is the entrance to the place we are going to be talking about for purple. So to animate this is the prompt for the animation right now. So if you want to get an idea on how I was able to come out with this story, just comment story. I will explain everything to you step by step right there. So just go down in the comment section, comment story. I will explain how you can get a good prompt for any video or anything that you are creating right now. You can see right now how realistic this animation is. One thing I also love about Whisk is if you give it the right prompt, it's going to add a voice over for it for you right now. It's going to add a voice over for you. Let me generate the next one, and you will see that there is a voice over in there right now. With the rightful prompts, you are going to come out with a good prompt, like you are going to come out with a good video right there. So this is the second scene right now. Second scene, I just need to look. And I love this one that I'm seeing right now. This image. So the first image, and then we need to input the animation prompt right now. You can see the animation prompt, and then put there and click on send. Are you guys seeing it? It's very simple and easy, guys. Very, very simple and easy. So let me wait for some minutes, and the video has been generated. You can see how realistic and how awesome this video is. And also, one thing I love about this, there is a voice right now. There's a speech right now. Okay, so let's generate the third scene right there. Let's generate this third scene, the third scene, which is the with the prompt, and I also have the prompt to generate the animation right there. So I need to click on send. Guys, saying it's very simple and easy, guys. Very simple and easy. So it's loading. Boom, guys. So this is why I love the first one. I love the first image, and you can also see that this is consistent right now. You can see it's consistent. So I just need to copy the animation prompt and click on paste right there and click on send. So this is loading, and let's give it some minutes. Let's give it some minutes, and you can see how awesome it is. How awesome it is right there. Just need to click on download. You guys seen it? I just need to click on download, and it's very important. Every time you generate a video or an image with this, it's very important to download it so that you will use it in your next project right now. So let's generate the last scene right now. Let me clear this and let's generate the last scene. Let's check it out. Let's generate the last scene. Okay, so click on send, and it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading right now. Okay, this is the last scene. To animate this, we just need to click on animation at the bottom right now. Head over to our Google document to copy the animation prompt right there. Need to copy the animation prompt and click on send right there. And after sending, just click on send there, and let's wait for a few minutes. Let's wait for a few minutes for this to load up right there. You can see this is awesome. This is awesome. I really love it. I just need to click on download. Okay, so the website, the app I use to edit my video is CapCut. So to edit this is very simple and easy. We just need to import the footage or the raw clip or the clip we generated from Whisk. We need to input this into CapCut. I'm very sure most of the people watching this video will know how you can just add and add every clip together, trim it, add a transition, and also if you want to add a voiceover with this, you can add a voiceover. But this is coming out with a voiceover right now. It's coming out to the video I generated. There is a voiceover there. There, every scene has its own voice right there. So that is how simple it is right there. Okay, guys. I'll be stopping this very video at this point. If you have any question, go down in the comment section. I'll reply to all your questions. Thank you very much for watching. I really love you. Bye for now, guys.